This beast of a power bank can charge your action camera, your drone, it has a wall socket, it can charge a drone battery, and it can also charge a remote control. Is this the ultimate power bank? Let's find out. So if you're like me, when you're out and about, you need some tech with you, and I've always got gadgets with me. I no longer pack light. I've always got a couple of drones with me, a remote control, my phone, the family's phones. So a power bank like this is ideal to be able to charge everything when either you're on the go, you're in a city, you're on an overnight stay, you go camping. Something like this is going to be able to cover you for everything, so I can charge my drones. And the best thing is, with this power bank having a wall socket, I can charge my DJI Air 2S batteries as well. So let's just look at this into a bit more detail now. So this is the Omni 20 Plus power bank, and it provides that power when you need it in quite a compact size, considering all the ports that come with this portable charger, and it's helped me out so many times when I've been out about filming. So all these ports, let's just go through some of these now. So on the side you've got two USB-C ports providing 18 watts of actual output. It also supports quick charge, along with the USB-C of 60 watts supports quick charge, so you can plug this into anything USB-C. DC port of 100 watts of input and output, and then the wall socket providing 100 watts output. And this is my favorite feature on this, something which you don't see on many portable chargers at all. It also supports wireless charging, so you can put anything wireless charger on here, so you can put a phone or some AirPods on here, and that provides 10 watts. You can charge this by USB-C, or you can plug in the input or output cable. I just tend to charge this by a USB-C cable. Alright, so the favourite feature, the wall outlet. So you just plug this in. This comes with this adapter as well. So I've got the UK plug adapter here, and then I can plug anything in. I've also got this really handy USB-C cable, which provides me 3 different outputs by just using the one, and then obviously my DJI cable as well, so I can connect this up to any of my drones. And I've still got then a spare USB-C port as well, and it's incredible just how many devices I can actually charge using this. On the front you see this LCD display. It shows you your battery life and also the power in use. You can activate and deactivate the wall socket plug, also the USB-C ports as well, and then you can show you how much battery life you've got and how much is going to be remaining once you're charging these devices. And the size of it isn't too bad, you know, it's not heavy, but it is bulkier than most, but having all these different outlets on it are worth it. So how many devices can this charge? So let's have a look. So for me, these are generally the devices I have with me all the time. So I have the DJI Air 2S, the DJI Mini 2, I have an action camera, and then I've got my controller if that needs to be charged. Obviously I'm going to be taking the power bank, and I've always got a few different batteries, and then a plug, so I either use this to plug in my laptop or my actual DJI Air 2S battery charger. So first of all, we're going to plug it into the action camera. As you can see, that's then charging. Now I'm going to just grab this Mini 2 and then just plug that in, and you can see now that starts to charge as well. So usually that would be enough now. You're not going to be able to charge anything else on other power banks. But we also have a load of power available for us. It's also got a temperature protection, so if you overload this, it will just shut down. It's not going to cause any problems at all. So we're going to get the plug now from the battery for the Air 2S. So this is fantastic on the go. I use this all the time. It's mainly the best feature for it, to be able to plug something into this. So you just plug that in there, and now I've got the option to charge my Air 2S or my Mavic 2 Pro. If you've got bigger batteries that require an actual outlet, I can now charge these, and you can see that is also now charging along with those other 2 devices. But it doesn't stop there. We could charge a phone, but you know, most power banks can charge a phone, so I'm not going to show you them because that's just far too easy. So it's showing you that now the DJI Air 2S battery, the Mini 2 and the action camera are charging. What we can now plug something else in. So let's charge, and let's connect this up to the remote controller. So just imagine this remote controller is getting quite low, or just having some lunch. You can charge all of your products while you're having a bit of a break. So now the remote controller is charging along with all these other items. So it is a fantastic fantastic power bank that I take with me now in the bag all the time to be able to have access, to be able to plug something in. If I'm on an overnight stay and I take my laptop, I can charge the laptop with this. So if you do want to check this out, I'll link it in the description below. But if you've got travel regularly, or you want a power bank that's going to provide you power to charge all your devices, or you're a family and you've got loads of different phones and iPads that need charging, something like this will be able to help you out immensely. So hope you found that helpful, guys. Take care. I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.